Life's a fucking game. It was never personal, but you've been playing it like there's a warrant out for your arrest. Name, date of birth, known associates. Like the whole point was to survive it instead of play it. Fun, goddammit. You forgot the whole point a long time ago. The point was never to come out clean. The point was to have a little fun while occasionally getting your ass kicked. But you traded that for a bag over your head and a paranoid delusion that the whole world is out to get you. So look at the evidence. Take politics, for instance. Those assholes don't know you're alive, and if they did, you think that'd stop them from screwing you over? Not for a second. Being seen was never the issue. Control is. You have none. You never did. But that's not even the crime. The crime is what you do with it. You take a fight you can't win against people who don't know your name, and you bring it home, full volume, to people who do. You hate Trump? Well, he's not losing sleep over your hate. You think AOC's a nitwit? Well, she's not losing hers either. Congress passes something that lights your blood on fire. You had as much control over that before as you did after. None. But somehow it's worth a Thanksgiving dinner. You'll go at it with your buddy, your sister, a client who you just wanted to get an invoice paid from. Hell, even the bum on the street corner's running the same racket. He's screaming at every stranger who walks past him. Two men yelling at a system that doesn't know either one of you exists. The only real difference between you and him is volume. And a mortgage. No, that's not conviction. That's a treadmill built to keep you running in place, fighting the people who love you over people who don't know you're alive. So you never get around to playing your own damn game. And before you tell me you're not political, fine. Take the guy who cut you off this morning in traffic. You've been running that tape all day like he chose you. He didn't choose you. He never saw you. He's so buried in his own head he couldn't pick you out of a lineup. And you're out here prosecuting a man who doesn't know the case exists against him. Strangers, fine. You'll give me strangers, but the people who do know your name, your colleagues, same as you, they're just trying to survive the day and get home for the hockey game. Nobody in that building where you work is prosecuting you. They're all too busy starring in their own trial. Even your own boss, especially your boss. He's as scared as you've ever been. Worse, probably. He finally got the promotion. He got the raise, and somehow by the next payday, none of it's left. He's not having any more fun than you are. He's just got more eyes on his fuck-ups than yours ever will earn. But here's the part that should actually scare you. Somebody is watching. Your wife. If you're lucky, she's still paying attention. Not to the game, to you. Watching you come apart slow or not so slow. And you won't even give her what the real word is for it. You call it reasons. That treadmill didn't build itself. It's a machine that needs you enraged and distracted, fighting strangers and the people you love, because a man having fun is hard to sell anything to. A man convicted of a crime he didn't commit will buy whatever promises parole. It's a game. Nobody's watching you play it. You're just the only one who forgot to have fun. So quit lawyering up for a trial that was never coming. Stop being so goddamn serious. See what fucking happens. Now, I created a kit. It's called the Identity Excavation Kit for men like you, to dig up exactly when you turned into this killjoy, when you stopped having fun and started taking every bad bounce as some slight to your ego. And if you want to do the work directly with me, for 8 weeks, we go one-on-one, and then you're done. That link's in the description too.